Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, I'm ready. Today we're going to be eating crawfish. Oh my god, that looks so good. You guys, if you eat seafood, always get white rice. So good. So good. Okay. This is gonna get messy, y'all. Thank you, God, for blessing me with this meal. Thank you, God, for keeping me healthy and my family healthy. Thank you. Okay, guys, I'm starving. So today, I went to work out because I started working out. I'm not gonna say where, but I started working out. Yeah. And I saw Sweetie post a video like this last night before falling asleep, and I was like, bitch, I'm gonna eat that after my workout tomorrow. Potato. Yes, these are so good. And they're big. I don't have nails on. Well, I haven't had nails on for a cool minute now. I'm giving my nails some rest. Oh, yes. Get rid of the poop.
That eat my shit.
And then you'll have sauce. Oh. Get some sauce from your bowl. My phone fell. Sorry guys, I'm sending some stuff on eBay and people are bidding on it like crazy. Oh, it sold. Where's my phone? I dropped my phone. I'll check right now. This sauce so bomb. If you guys want to try this, I'll put the link right here. Potato. These corns. Should look a little old. I've been craving this, y'all. Oh, I love you, my baby. I wish I could give you some. But you can eat seafood, papas. You can eat seafood, baby. Sorry. This one's huge. Papas, why are you barking? Ooh. He's telling Trina like, that motherfucker didn't give me none. Oh. Papa, you need to stop storming in here like that. Acting like you pay rent around here and shit. Take the poop off. Dip it in your juice. I know. A lot of work for a little piece of meat. What the fuck? Bitch. The brains taste fucking good. That's my favorite part. Papas, I love you. I'm sorry. I can give you rice. You want rice? You want rice? Ooh, Luis right now probably watching this video like, that motherfucker's eating hot marisco with no lemon? No lemon? I'm done. I was gonna make this video into an ASMR, but my fucking little mic did. Sorry guys, my camera died. I continued eating.
Sorry, not sorry.
Motherfuckers. I love seafood, you guys. Seafood is like one of those meals that just do it for me. If we ever got each other mad and you want to make it up to me, take me to eat some seafood. That bitch is not gonna say no. Oh my god, you're laughing. This is a poop, y'all. Don't eat that. Unless you like it, then go for it. Spicy. I got my seasoning whole deal and super spicy. My Louis pouch. I had this lipstick pouch for like a long time. And I'm getting rid of a lot of shit. Cause I'm trying to fix up my house a little bit better, cuter. You know, work on myself. I'm selling most of my shit on eBay online and yeah. My Louis thing sold for $75, which is not bad. Hey, 75 bucks that I just had laying around there, so I ain't mad at it. I didn't eat the bag either way. I haven't even touched my rice.
In a Queensland suburb, cops are raiding a suspected dealer's home.
Police search warrant! Police search warrant!
With the suspect alerted, police know he could be flushing vital evidence.
Bye guys.